Today we going to read newspaper on Sunday, June 13, 2021. First article here is GST brought down on 14 COVID relief goods. Everyone knows COVID is growing pandemic everywhere in the country. It's difficult to reach medicine for everyone. That's what GST Council is decided to reduce tax on the goods and service tax. Council on Saturday decided to waive the tax levied on the two critical drugs against COVID and micromyces and the Tocilizumab and the Amphotericin B and reset the tax rate to 5% for 14 major pandemic reliefs. They decided to give tax relief on 14 major pandemic relief to access for the every person for the COVID medicines. Here you can see clearly downward revision. They first given the existing and up to new they mentioned here how much they are taking the GST. 5% to they reduce 0%, 12% to 5%, 12 to 5%, again is 18 to 5%. 28 to 12% in ambulance. This is GST central government is reducing on the COVID relief goods. We'll study about what is GST. It is tax levied when consumer buys a goods or services. This is tax levied. Then we know already there are three types of GST: CGST, SGST, IGST. Central Goods Service Tax, State Goods Service Tax, and Integrated Goods and Service Tax. The central goods tax service taxes are central excise duty, service excise duty, central sales tax, and excise duties. These are central GST. Then state GST means the luxury tax, state sale tax, entry tax, and entertainment tax lives on the latter. These are the SGST. Then who collect IGST? The IGST charge when there is a momentum of goods from one state to the another state. This is collected by the central government to distribute equally to the states. This is called IGST. If you see by politically means, in India, GST bill was first introduced in 2014 as a constitution 122 amendment bill. It got the approval of in 2016 and was renumbered in the status by the Rajya Sabha and Constitution 104th Amendment Act in 2016. It provisions central GST covers excise duty, service taxes, state GST to cover VAT, luxury tax, etc. Integrated GST covers the interstate trade. And which items are not included in GST? This is also important. The items not covered under GST are alcohol, liquor, or women consumes, alcohol, liquor for women consumption, petroleum product, petrol, crude oil, and electricity. These are not included in the GST. Next article is new declassification policy get note. Cases like 1962 war Operation Blue Star will be taken up to the cases by basis. Here Minister Rajnath Singh telling about declassification of policy. Declassification means the process increased to potential release of formally classified national security information to the general public and researchers can be available. Here they are talking about Blue Star operation. Operation Blue Star means code name given to the Indian military operation to the remove the separatists who were hidden inside the Golden Temple of Amritsar. Declassification means available public domain about the 1960 war. They are talking to availability of 1916 war. Declassification of old wars like 1916 war is not automatic and will be taken up the case by case basis of committee to be constituted under the policy. Confidential cases ask about the cases like the highly confidential under the Brooks report on the 1960 war with China and the Operation Blue Star of 1984. Defense officials said the committee will take views on the earlier wars and operations. This compiles history and wars and operations within the 5 years will be internal consumption first. The later the committee may decided to publicly release all parts of it consist of the sensitivity of the subject and official said. This is the news. Our Rajnath Singh is telling here the new classification policy notes to declassification is processed to availability of public also. We'll go to the next. Here one interview is there businessman is telling no trade of the between lives and livelihood in the long runs. India has problem that is different and deeper than the problem that rich countries have, says former lead economist of World Bank. As the World Bank is troubles through the second years of COVID-19 pandemic, clear that the both it is catastrophic tolls of human life and the serves the socio-economic disclosure. Here is one businessman talking about economy, India, and now pandemic crisis. We'll read detail about this one. Next article is PLA campaigning highlights LAC action. Next article is PLA campaigning highlights LAC actions. Many years back, this issue is going between India and China border. Here they are telling that ahead of the CPC centenary, soldiers to present China flag rise on the Pangongo Lake during the national-wide war. The China People Liberation Army (PLA) has begun a domestic campaign ahead of the ruling committee July 1st centenary, which is highlighting last year for action of the border defense troops along with line of actual control. LAC specifically Panganga Lake as a part of border underline the military form support to the President Xi Jinping. Here they are telling about Panganga Lake. This is line of actual control. This is border issue between India and China. And they are talking about one more thing. Emphasizing Kobat release was part one of the message. One group of the role model went to the coastal region of the South China and the other group went to the Gobi Desert in Northwest. This article you have to remember Panganga Lake and the Gobi Desert in the map. It's important, and border issue between China and India also important. Next article is G7 leaders take on China plan to stop new pandemic. G7 meeting held in the G7 started a unveiled in the US led plan to counter China infrastructure founding the poorer nations and the new accord prevent future pandemic. That here they are keeping the center of China. They're talking about the pandemic in G7, and they again two important discussion went for year for G7. G7 we'll see about what is G7. All sevens are top ranked advanced economic within a current larger GDP and with highlight nation wealth. They are the US, Japan, Germany, UK, France and Italy, Canada. These are the 7 countries. G7 are a top 15 ranked countries and highest net wealth per capita. We will call group of 7 also. All of the 5 members of, and in G7 two more things their discussion is going. We know already the BRI means Belt Road Initiative China concept, and they are given one word is B3W Build Back Better Road project is aimed to be competing with the China $1 trillion Belt and Road Infrastructure Initiative. This talk is went in G7, and one more is Britain held G7 agreement on the Caribbean Bay Declaration also happened in G7. You have to remember B3W and Belt Road Initiation and is a Caribbean Bay Declaration in the G7 meeting. Next article is will 25% vaccine for private hospitals aggregate inequity. In the last few days this news is we are reading what is the year what happening means this inequality of vaccination is unavailability of vaccination is more happening nowadays. Age 18 to 44 everyone should get vaccinated, but unavailability of vaccination is more. The difficult to get vaccine for common people also. Here they are discussing few days back the central is charging 150 on the vaccination, then state are charging like double of the vaccination. This is inequality happening they are telling, but now is government is telling to 25% of vaccination should give the private hospitals and 75% of vaccination should be given to the central government. This is you can reduce the inequality. You can get 18 to 44 age group to allow 25% vaccination to procure in the private hospital. Means it is easy to get everyone vaccination they are talking about in these articles. Next, here you can see Bitcoin push. How does El Salvador plan to use the cryptocurrency as legal tender and what are the risks involved? Here you will see in El Salvador where it will come. It is important. Already you know about everyone Bitcoins. El Salvador is located in the Central America. El Salvador is on a border by the Pacific Ocean of South and Guatemala to the west and the Honduras of the northeast. El Salvador is located in the Central America. El Salvador is border of Pacific Oceans of South. This is you have to remember where it will come in the map. El Salvador. Next is Operation Oli to the regress of the Oli red lights. Here we know redly turtles they are in vulnerable in the condition. The Coast Guard helps to enforce laws to protect turtles as they are arrived to the nest in Odisha. The Indian Coast Guard Operation Oli, initiated the early 1980s, helped protect solely red-legged tortoises as they congregated along with the Odisha coast, breeding the nesting form. They are protecting them. The woolly red-legged tortoises are listed vulnerable under the International Union Red List. India Wildlife Protection Act of this is important. India Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, and in the Appendix 1 of the Convention Integration Trade Endangered Species Wild Fauna and Flora, which prohibits trade the tortoise products signatory in the countries. This is red-tree tortoises are important here to save. They are vulnerable in the red list books, and the mass nesting of the red-legged tortoise we called a Haribird. New guidelines on the Ramdesiros. New guidelines on the Ramdesiros steroids. The Central reviewed the protocol for the mild cases and which drugs are not recommended anymore because the Union Health Minister has reviewed the guidelines for the treatment of COVID-19 patients, particularly on the use of steroids, which is doctor reporting a worrying rise in medical complications such as micromycosis, already like black fungus due to the abuse of drugs and therapies during the treatment. The new protocol advised doctor to drop usage of medicines such as ivermectin, doxycycline, and hydrochloroquine to treat mild COVID cases. The revised guideline issued on May 27th recommended that use of antipyretics for fever and the anti-tissues for cold is an asymptomatic mild cases. That's what these guidelines is given to the government to the remdesivir steroid.